एवरीवन, मी प्राध्यापक NM मोरे. Welcome to my video. In the previous video, we seen about process of human parturition, lactation and reproductive health. Now in this video, I can going to explain various birth control measures. Birth control measures which deliberately prevent fertilization, hence these are referred to as contraceptives. Contraceptives means they prevent the conception or pregnancy. आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये संतती प्रतिबंधक असं म्हणतो. These contraceptives prevent unwanted pregnancies and are of two main types, namely temporary methods and permanent methods. First of all, we say about temporary methods of birth control. It includes safe period, coitus interrupts, lactational amenorrhea, chemical means, mechanical means, physiological means and other contraceptive devices. First of all, we see about safe period. It is the natural method of birth control. The principles of natural method of birth control is to prevent the chances of fertilization. A week before and a week after menstrual bleeding is considered as a safe period for sexual intercourse. And this idea is based on the fact that ovulation occurs on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. This method prevents the pregnancy by about 80% and has some drawbacks also. Then coitus interrupts. This is oldest method of birth control. In this method, male partner withdraw his penis from vagina just before ejaculation. Hence, insemination is prevented into the female reproductive tract and prevent conception. Conception means fertilization. This method also has some drawbacks because pre-ejaculated fluid may contain sperm and this can cause fertilization. Then lactational amenorrhea. Amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. म्हणजे मासिक पाळी ठराविक कालावधीसाठी बंद असते during lactation period. This idea is based on the fact that during intensive lactation, after childbirth, ovulation is inhibited and so conception does not occur, and therefore mothers breastfeed the child fully. The chances of conception, that is fertilization, is negligible. But this method also has some drawbacks. Then chemical means, it is also called spermicides. It includes chemicals like foam, tablets, jellies, paste, creams used by female partners just before the sexual intercourse. If these chemicals are introduced into female reproductive tract before fertilization, they adhere the mucous membrane and immobilize the sperm or kill the sperm and prevent fertilization. These methods are also some drawbacks. Then mechanical means barriers, and with the help of certain barriers, ovum and sperms are prevented from physically meeting. It includes condom, diaphragm, cervical caps, intrauterine devices. First of all, we see about condom. Condom is a rubber sheath which is covered on erected penis of male during copulation and which prevent the entry of semen into the female reproductive tract. So, prevent conception. Condom is easily available, cheap, simple to use and more effective. It has no side effects. Condom is also called Nirodh and it is most widely contraceptive by male in India and it is freely given by government. Condom should be discarded by single use and it is also as a safeguard against the AIDS and sexually transmitted diseases. Then diaphragm, cervical caps or vaults. These are used by female partners and made up of rubbers. These devices are introduced into female reproductive tract before sexual intercourse and to cover the cervix. Hence, these are introduced before sexual intercourse in the female reproductive tract. They prevent the entry of sperm through cervix and prevent fertilization. Diaphragm and cervical caps are the counterpart of condom in female. In shortly, diaphragm and cervical caps हे फिमेल मधला कंडोम आहे. जसा मेल मध्ये कंडोम असतो तसं हे सर्वायकल कॅप्स आणि डायफ्रॅम हे काय आहेत, फिमेल मधले कंडोम आहेत. देन इंट्रा युटेराइन डिव्हाइस IUDS. It includes Lepis loop, copper releasing intrauterine device and hormone releasing intrauterine device. Lepis loop is plastic object. All these objects, intrauterine device, are made up of plastic or metal and these are placed in the uterus by doctor or trained medical staff. Lepis loop is a plastic double S-shaped loop. They attract the macrophages in the uterine cavity, accumulate in the uterine cavity and increase the phagocytosis of sperm in the uterus. So, they act as a contraceptives. Copper releasing intrauterine device, commonly called copper T, also placed in the uterus by doctor and they release copper. They immobilize the sperm and also reduce the fertilizing capacity of sperm. Hormones releasing intrauterine device make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix become hostile to the sperm. They prevent pregnancy for 3 to 4 years, long periods. They have some abnormalities त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला दिसतात. काही साइड इफेक्ट्स त्याचे आहेत इंट्रायुटेराइन डिव्हाइसचे. दॅट इज एक्सपल्शन ऑफ इंट्रायुटेराइन डिव्हाइस. आपोआप ते गळून पडतात. ते एक त्याच्यामध्ये ड्रॉबॅक्स आहे. इंट्रायुटेराइन डिव्हाइस मध्ये ओकेजनल हिमोरेज आपण त्याला म्हणतो. अनियमित ब्लिडिंग होतं त्याच्यामध्ये आणि चान्सेस ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. दीज आर सम ड्रॉबॅक्स. म्हणजे स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्सपल्शन, ओकेजनल ब्लिडिंग आणि चान्सेस ऑफ फर्टिलायझेशन आर दी सम ड्रॉबॅक्स ऑफ इंट्रायुटेराइन डिव्हाइसेस. देन we see about physiological means. Physiological means oral devices. It is used by female partners. It contains hormone progesterone and estrogen and which prevent ovulation. So egg is not released from the ovary of female by taking these contraceptives and prevent pregnancy. Pills Saheli is commonly used and sponsored by government. It is taken once in a week. म्हणजे आठवड्यातून ही एक वेळा टॅबलेट घेतली जाते सहेलीची टू कंट्रोल दी बर्थ और प्रिव्हेंट प्रेग्नन्सी. इट हॅज सम ड्रॉबॅक्स. दॅट इज नवसिया म्हणजे मळमळणे, वेट गेन, वजन वाढतं, टेंडरनेस ऑफ ब्रेस्ट, पेन येतात ब्रेस्टमध्ये, डिस्कम्फर्ट होतं, अँड स्लाइटली लॉस ऑफ ब्लड ड्युरिंग ब्लीडिंग पिरियड. Then other contraceptives. Certain contraceptives are implanted under the skin of upper arm. It is thin rod shaped. Size is about matchstick. It also contains estrogen and progesterone, and their mode of action is similar to oral pills. That is, they inhibit the ovulation. It prevents pregnancy for 3 to 4 years. Then permanent method of birth controls. Permanent method of birth control in male is called vasectomy, and in the woman it is called tubectomy. These are surgical methods called sterilization. In vasectomy, vasa differentia of male tied and cut, and in tubectomy, fallopian tubes of female tie and cut near the fundus. They prevent the transport of gametes and prevent pregnancy. Okay, then we see about medical termination of pregnancy. शॉर्ट फॉर्म मध्ये आपण त्याला MTP असं म्हणतो. An intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called medical termination of pregnancy. MTP is essential in case of unwanted pregnancies and also in abnormal development of fetus. MTP is safe during first trimester of pregnancy. Abnormal development of fetus is examined by amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is the process of taking amniotic fluid collect the fetal cells from amniotic cell by using hollow needles inserted in the uterus under the guidance of ultrasound, and these fetal cells are cultured and examined, studied to study the chromosomes of fetus to see the abnormalities in the developing fetus. But dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis for the determination of sex of the fetus, and frequently if the fetus is to be found female, it is aborted, and which is totally illegal. So, Government of India made the MTP legalized act in 1971 by some restrictions for misuse of amniocentesis. MTP is safe during first 12 week of development of fetus. Okay, so in this video we seen about various methods of birth controls and medical termination of pregnancy. Okay.